Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, where you can enjoy all of the member-only features for free, like the live chat room, educational videos, and the real-time option and stock alerts, and much, much more with your very own 7-day free trial. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest you take advantage of it. So we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 chart. If you've been following along, you know that I liked it short once we broke out of this rising wedge right here. Moving forward, though, our downside target did get met, so we did bounce. But one thing I want to point out about today or yesterday's quote-unquote rally, while it is a bullish engulfing candle, bounced exactly where it needed to bounce. I just want to point out the volume on yesterday, pretty insignificant for how bullish of a candle it was. And you want to have volume confirming price, okay? So when you have a big candle like this, see how on this candle right here, we had big volume right there. See that? And even here on this candle, accompanied with this volume, okay, right there. Okay, that's what you want to see for a big long candle like that. You want to see a lot of volume as well, okay? Another thing that is a little bit concerning is we've got this reversal candle here. But what we did not do yet is fill this gap. There's a gap up here at 207.75, all right? We did not fill that, okay? In my opinion, we're going to need to test higher before possibly heading down lower. Near term, though, I do think we are going to consolidate a little more just because of the candle that we put in today, reversal candle. And if you look at the breadth today, it was pretty bad on the day. I mean, it's bad in general, but on an intraday basis, it was bad. So we've got this reversal candle. We've got support down here at 202 and as well as 204, okay? If that support, if 204 breaks, we're going to head to 202. If 202 breaks, we're going to head to 200, okay? If we get down to 198, I really like the market for a bounce around that level. We've got this channel here. If you notice this channel that I have drawn, here's the top of the channel, and here is the bottom of the channel, okay? From the lows in August, another low in October. And if we consolidate further down, we've got this area at 198 approximately. Right now it would be at 198. In the future, if it takes a little bit longer, it might be a little bit further up as the upward channel is rising. Okay, so the area might change, but as of now, it's right around 198, and that matches up perfectly with this support that we have right here. Okay, so again, just to recap, very near term, I expect some consolidation lower. Okay, but we may get a bounce from 202 just because I like that we have the gap to fill up ahead, and I don't think that we'll be headed lower before filling that gap right there. Okay. Let's take a look at the indicators. We had a break below the 50 level right here, and now we came back up to retest the 50 level. And at this moment, it's right at 50. You know, tomorrow is going to really tell us whether we're going to break below 50 again or break back up above 50. And just to let you know, the characteristics of a bullish stock are above 50, between 50 and 70. Bearish stocks below 50, and bouncing between 50 and 30. Okay, looking at the MACD, we have the MACD gaining momentum downward. See how it's kind of separating from the signal line. And just to show you an example of how it can separate, as you can see how it's separated over here, gained some momentum, and that saw the SPY gaining a lot of ground. Okay, so it works both ways, on the downside and the upside. But if you look at stochastics, we've got stochastics in the oversold range over here, and we actually have a bull cross right here. Okay, as you can see, stochastics, a pretty good indicator of getting bounces. If you match up stochastics here in the oversold range, that matches up perfectly with this low over here. And then if you match it up with this low over here, matches up perfectly with this low on the stochastics over here. Okay, so that's it for the S&P analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found this video at all helpful, go ahead and give us a visit, www.thetradinganalyst.com. You can sign up tonight and start receiving alerts and educating yourself tomorrow. We'll see you over there.